Diego saves the sloth. Hola, soy Diego. I'm an animal rescuer. It's a very windy day, so I'm making sure all of the animals are getting back to their homes safely. Will you help? Click the camera can help us find all of our animal friends to make sure they're safe. Do you see any animals in trouble? Oh no, Sammy the sloth is in trouble. If the winds break his branch, he could fall and get hurt. Alicia used the computer to look up information that we need to know about sloths so we can save Sammy. Sloths live in trees and move very slowly. Sloths are most active at night and sleep all day. Look, Sammy is sound asleep. He doesn't even know that there's a big windstorm blowing. We have to save Sammy. El rescate! To the rescue! Let's use our zip cord to get to Sammy. Hang on tight. The wind is strong. We'll need to fly over the rainforest to get to Sammy on the other side. Rescue pack can turn into anything we need. What vehicle would work best to fly in the wind and go over the rainforest? C. A hang glider. To activate rescue pack, say activate. To get above the woods, we need to fly high. To go up, up and away, we need to say arriba. Hang on, Sammy. Here we come. We need to wake up Sammy and help him move to a stronger branch. And quick. Help me call Sammy's name to wake him up. Sammy, wake up. Despierta. Oh no, Sammy didn't hear us. The wind is too loud. Look, now those silly Bobo brothers are playing on Sammy's branch. Between them and the wind, that branch is going to break. We need to stop the Bobo brothers. To stop them, say, freeze, Bobos. Thanks for helping me stop the Bobo brothers. But look, the wind made Sammy's branch break. Rapido! We need to get to Sammy quickly. We saved Sammy the sloth. Excelente! Let's help him find a nice, safe tree where he'll be able to sleep safely. Mission completa. Rescue complete. Thanks for helping me save Sammy. Gracias. For more great books, make sure you subscribe to our channel.